and welcome to Becca's English Book Club and more. Now today we're going to read another little story in this collection of Kipper stories. It's called The Little Kipper Collection by Mike Inkpen. And the first one we're going to read is called Honk. Honk, said the gosling. Where did you come from? Said Kipper. Honk, said the gosling again. You can go in the bath, said Kipper. Honk, said the gosling to the plastic duck, which didn't reply. Do you like bubble bath? Said Kipper. Honk, said the gosling, blowing a bubble by accident. Can you only say honk? Said Kipper. The gosling nodded and honked again. It honked at the towel. It honked at the sponge. It honked at the hairdryer. Especially when it blew him out of the bathroom. And it honked as it bumped into Big Owl. Are you all right? Said Kipper. But the gosling didn't reply. It didn't say honk. It fell fast asleep without saying anything at all. So the book was about this little gosling, and he was so tired after a bath, after meeting a rubber duck, after having a hairdryer blown all over him, and after being rubbed with a towel. He was so tired that he fell asleep. How cute. Well, I hope you enjoyed that book about Kipper and the gosling. If you'd like to watch more, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Goodbye.